everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 Valentine's Day crafts, and I'm just going to name the supplies as I go for each craft. I hope you guys like these crafts, and let's get on with this video. First I'm going to show you how to make these cute little doll-sized lollipops. I made mine Valentine's Day themed, but you could actually use this for any occasion. First, you'll need toothpicks, beads, I'm using heart-shaped ones for Valentine's Day, food wrap, string, and glue. First, you want to take your toothpick and you just want to glue a bead on the top of it. Cut off the excess toothpick. You can leave your lollipop like this, or if you want to make it look wrapped like this one, all you will need to do is take a square of food wrap, and you can always cut down the side if it's too big. Put the top of the bead in the center of the food wrap, and just start wrapping the food wrap down, and then twist it kind of at the bottom. You can cut off the excess food wrap. Then you can take your string and tie it around. I had troubles making a bow, and I personally thought it looked better just with a little knot, but it's completely what you guys want. And that's how to make a doll-sized lollipop for Valentine's Day. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Valentine's-inspired cake. You'll need Mod Podge, cardstock, paint, and glue. First, you want to take a strip of cardstock and then fold it in half. This will be as thick, the side will be as thick as however thick you want your cake to be. Then you want to take the top 2 ends and fold them around and glue them like this. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. Then you want to apply glue to one of the sides of your heart shape. Then glue it to a piece of cardstock. Cut out around the heart. And repeat for the other side. Now you have a little heart shape, but it doesn't look too much like a cake, so to make it have a frosting effect, take your hot glue and just put glue all over the cake. I didn't do it at the bottom, so it'd still be able to stand straight. And this will just give it a nice frosting texture, as you can see here. Then to give it a little bit more detail, as if it was decorated, you could make some little dots of glue all the way around the top of the heart to make it look like little frosted heart dots around the heart. I repeated this step also at the bottom of the heart. Then all you want to do is take paint and paint your cake. I decided to do red for the main part of my cake, and I just did that on the top and the sides. And then for the little frosting, icing parts, the little dot parts, I used some pink acrylic paint. When you're done painting on all your little designs, you can keep it like this, or I'm using some Mod Podge to give it a bit of an extra shine and to protect the paint from wearing off. That's how to make your very own Valentine's Day cake. As you can see, I left the bottom blank because no one will see that part anyways. And I just placed it on this little cake stand that I found in Michael's quite a while ago. And that's how to make your very own Valentine's cake. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Valentine's doll banner. This is really simple and really fun to make. You will need string, I'm using embroidery floss, glitter, cardstock, and glue. First, you want to cut off a piece of embroidery floss that will be the perfect size for your banner. Then take some cardstock, fold it in half, then draw out a heart shape, and the top of the heart should be on the crease of where you folded. Then you just want to cut out that shape. And as you can see, when I open it up, the tops of the hearts are still connected. You want to erase the pencil lines, and as you can see, it'll be able to fit on your banner like so. Then you want to take some Mod Podge and paint onto the heart. thin layer. And then I just took some red glitter and sprinkled that on top to have a bit of a more fun effect. I repeated this step with silver as well. Then you just want to put the heart onto the banner and put some hot glue on and fold it over to keep it in place so they won't fall off. And that's how to make your very own doll-sized Valentine's glitter banner. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!